Are you a Tesla supplier looking to expand your operations into Mexico? Look no further than American Industries Group. By partnering with American Industries Group, you can join the already large number of global automotive companies manufacturing in the country. Monterrey, Nuevo Leon, Mexico, the location of Tesla's new facility, is an ideal place for international companies to set up operations due to its highly skilled and diverse workforce, solid transportation infrastructure, and strategic location that facilitates the distribution of products to the United States. We can help your business to capitalize on Mexico's rapidly growing automotive industry. Our industrial, real estate, and shelter services will help you set up operations quickly and easily, avoiding unnecessary problems and costly mistakes, while maximizing savings as much as possible. We take care of everything from finding the ideal location for your operation to managing permits and hiring personnel, so you can focus exclusively on your core business. In our over 40 years of experience, we have helped over 250 clients from 13 countries set up in Mexico, including current Tesla suppliers that can attest to the seamless and hassle-free process of working with American Industries Group. Don't miss the opportunity to expand in Mexico. Contact us today and let American Industries Group help unlock your business potential.